Hi, my name is Alex Gordon. I'm with the Gordon Law Firm, and I'd like to talk to you if you've got a friend or a family member that's been charged with possession or distribution of Oxycontin or Oxycodone. Oxycontin or Oxycodone are Schedule II drugs in Virginia. As a result, it's a felony. However, do not panic. A possession charge for these types of drugs usually does not involve jail or prison time. That's because judges rely upon sentencing guidelines, and these guidelines take into effect a person's prior record. The guidelines for first-time possession charge of a Schedule I or II drug will usually result in a recommendation of no jail time. If your friend or family member has been charged with possession with intent to distribute or distribution, it is serious. Punishments can be between 5 years to 40 years in prison, and immediate action should be taken. The time immediately following an arrest is crucial. Mistakes can be made that cannot be reversed and can have serious consequences that will affect the case. The first thing you should know is do not talk to a law enforcement officer without an experienced criminal defense lawyer present. Anything you say to the police officer can and will be used against you in court. Police officers are allowed to trick or even lie to a person charged with a crime to get a person to make incriminating statements. Tell the police officer that you will only talk to them about your case if you have your lawyer present. Your lawyer has the ability to give you important advice before you make any statements or agreements with the police officer. Also, you will have your attorney be an important ally if the police officer makes any promises to you. If your friend or family member is in jail, do not talk to them on the phone about the facts of the case. Police are recording the phone calls to the jail. Statements made during your phone conversation can be used against your friend or family member at trial. If the person in jail starts to talk about why they were arrested, tell them to stop talking and explain that the phone call is being recorded. Talk about work, family, and how you will be there for emotional support and that you could help them find a lawyer, but do not talk about the facts of the case. If your friend or family member is in jail, we can try to take immediate action to get them released. If they're in Arlington, Fairfax, Prince William, or Loudoun County, Alex Gordon or Carlos Wall can take immediate action and file a motion for bond. Having your friend released usually requires a hearing before a judge and a written motion being filed with the court. Each courthouse has its own set of procedures and schedules to follow, so the faster our law firm can be hired, the faster we can attempt to have your friend released. We start with a free consultation. Together, Carlos Wall and I have helped more than 1,000 people charged with possession or distribution of drugs in Northern Virginia. The free consultation can be in our office or over the phone. We are also able to go visit your loved one or family member over at the jail to discuss the facts of the case. We look forward to working with you. Call us today for a free consultation.